and they forgive my mistakes.
Good morning, guys. Today I'm going to be giving a review on the Comiso Bluetooth portable speaker. Got this bad boy on Amazon for about $18, pretty affordable, so I'm going to give it a try.
I'm coming home, let the rain wash away all the pain of yesterday. I know my kingdom awaits, and they forgive my mistakes. I'm coming home, I'm coming home. Tell the world I'm coming home, I'm coming home. Tell the world I'm coming home. Kingdom awaits, and they forgive my mistakes. I'm coming home, I'm coming home. Tell the world I'm coming awaits, and
So that's a quick look at the Comiso portable Bluetooth speaker. It comes with this in the box as well as a USB-C cable, and overall it has a nice build quality. I think it has a crisp sound, good trebles, although the bass is a little lacking. It is good value for the price that you're paying. If you enjoyed this review, let me know what other products you'd like me to test out. And as always, please like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys next time.
I'm